A new U.S. immigration fee change could increase the cost of H-1B and L-1 visa extensions for certain large employers, and Indian IT companies could feel the impact. Starting September 9, 2026, the United States is expanding the scope of an existing immigration fee. The $4,000 H-1B fee and $4,500 L-1 fee will also apply to certain extension filings, not just the filings that were previously covered. So, who actually has to pay? This is important. The fee is paid by the employer, not directly by the H-1B or L-1 worker. The expanded fee applies to certain employers with 50 or more employees in the United States, where at least 50% of their workforce holds H-1B or L-1 status. For qualifying employers, the additional charge is $4,000 for an H-1B petition and $4,500 for an L-1 petition. The new change means these charges can also apply when those employers file qualifying extension petitions. Why does this matter for Indians? Indian professionals make up a very large share of the H-1B workforce, and Indian technology and IT services companies are major users of H-1B and L-1 visas. That means the immediate financial impact falls on employers, but the change could indirectly affect Indian professionals if companies reconsider hiring, transfers, renewals, or the cost of retaining foreign workers. The important point is that this is not a new $4,000 or $4,500 fee for every H-1B or L-1 worker in America. It applies to qualifying employers and qualifying petitions covered by the rule. It is also important not to confuse this measure with the separate $100,000 H-1B payment that has been the subject of recent litigation. This is a different fee and a different policy issue. The change is part of the U.S. government's broader effort to collect fees associated with immigration processing, biometric systems, and entry-exit tracking. For companies that regularly employ large numbers of H-1B and L-1 workers, the financial impact could become significant because the additional fee can now apply when eligible worker status is extended. So if you are an Indian H-1B or L-1 professional, remember this: the government is not sending you a $4,000 or $4,500 personal bill. The direct payment obligation falls on qualifying employers. But employers may ultimately consider these higher immigration costs when making workforce and sponsorship decisions. And the key date to remember is September 9, 2026.